Alright, I'm back in the blasting room. There's the blaster right there. Solvent bath. There's the bells right now. There's all 5 chambers right there. Now there's one more thing to blast, and then the manifold and all the bells are complete. I still have to do the chambers, and I'm just simply going to get a new one. So here we go. Put you right over here. There we go. Alright, just got done doing the first round of blasting, and it looks pretty good for the most part. Just missed a few spots, like right up there. And gotta scrape that stuff off. Same thing in there. So I think it's alright. Doesn't look too bad. So now I'm just gonna finish up, and I'll be back. There we go, got the number 5 chamber complete. I'd like to see if I can just get a drill and just clean out that hole. That's what I'm just gonna do. I'll do that when I get all of them done. Time to grab another. I'm grabbing this guy, number 2. Alright, got the number 2 done. Looks pretty good. Could have done better, but I didn't want to screw it up. That looks pretty good. I'll just set you over here on the done pile. There we go. May actually get this done today, because that's all I got left. Well, that and the diaphragms and diffusers are in here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Trying to see which one's dry enough to actually blast it. Yeah, you're good. Set it right in there. And we got number 4 done. Set it right on top. I have one right here. Overall, it looks like all these, looks like most of the threads are still wet, so I'm gonna have to get a rag and dry them up. Alright, I just wiped it off with just a little rag. Just kind of make sure I got as much of it dry as possible, which looks like I got all of it dry. So now, blasting time. There we go. I was adjusting the pressure so it will not be too harsh on this thing. There you go. Number 2 is done. Let's pick another victim here. Let's pick you. Before I do so, it looks like it's a little wet, so I'll just wipe it down. Damn it. Alright. Yeah. Number 3 is complete. It's got 4 more things to do. Let's do the last back cap. Number 1. First, swipe it down. There we go. So if you notice, I'm not taking all of it off, all the dirt off. I'm just primarily getting all the corrosion, because if I don't, you can see it was eating it a bit right there. There was a lot of corrosion right there. I know there's some on the other bills. I think the number 4 has a lot, which I'm gonna have to do. See if I can get it. Yep, there it is. Let's do a review now. Just gonna wipe it down and I'll be back. There we go. If you noticed on this one particular, I had to cut it several times. That was to get rid of the corrosion. Apparently there was a lot of it. Right there. There's a lot of it right there. There's a small pocket right there too. And all the way around. There was some corrosion all the way around. I got all of it out. However, I left some of the dirt left. So I don't want to screw it up any more than it already is, especially from that corrosion. Yeah. Let's grab number one. Looks like this one's not any better too, so I'm gonna have fun scraping that off. That's what I had to do. I had to use the chisel right there and scrape it all off. So I'm gonna have fun with that. So I'm gonna scrape it off. There we go. Same thing with this one. There's a lot of corrosion. This one had even more than the number 4. Well, since I scraped it off, scraped most of it off before I actually started, it actually doesn't look half bad. It's still pretty bad. There's number 4, or shit, number 1. So I got one more left. And I believe you're number 3. Yes, you are. And it looks like there's some right there. I have to scrape that off beforehand. I had to get scraping now. I get scraping. Oh, there we go. Alright, there we go. I tried scraping as much as I could off the corrosion. However, I know I'm definitely going to have to take it out after I get done. Just a couple extra pieces. Alright, I just got done scraping most of it off. Hopefully it'll all come off with the blaster. That's what it looks like before. See closely, I missed a few spots. So, we'll see how the blaster will do. Set you right in there, vacuum on. Round 2. Alright, here we go. After 3 attempts on the 3 bell, I finally got all the corrosion off. See, it did a lot of damage right there. I don't know, it looks pretty good. Oh, that was the last piece I would have to blast. So now I gotta clean these up too. I'm not gonna blast them though. I wanna see if I can use. I'll figure something out to clean these up and get new gaskets, as well as putting the 3 chips back on. Oh, looks like I'm done with this thing. Alright, I just got done media blasting everything that I needed to. Did all of the individual horns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the back caps, right there, and also all the chambers as well, 3, 4, and 5. I didn't clean them the way I would like it to look, but I didn't want to mess this up, and it already is from the corrosion. As you can see, I missed a few spots of dirt. That's all corrosion right there. This one probably turned out the best out of all of them. It's really clean. Manifolds also all good. Well, diffusers I'm gonna do next. I even did the plugs. So now I'm gonna do the diffusers and diaphragms.